Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Another trip down memory lane for us today. Two patients in this compilation. The first one's come in with a part of a hearing aid stuck in their ear, so a little soft rubber tip that fits onto the end of a hearing aid. You can see it had really wedged itself down inside there. So we managed to use the crocodile forceps to pull that out. So I'll just show you a bit more of a close-up. So you can see as we grip that center section there with the crocodile forceps, and then pull this away. You can see it slowly pulling out to the canal. There we go, and out it pops. You can see it was really wedged down into the ear canal. They don't happen too often taking these out, to be honest. They are designed to stay on quite firmly, but in some cases they do pop off into the ear canal. So this is our second patient in the compilation, and what you can see here is we've got some very thick sticky wax sitting about a third of the way into the ear canal here. So just using the standard size ulnar tube here, slowly pulling this out. Just very slowly working my way down to this at the moment. There we are. You can see it's kind of soft around the edges. Obviously a little bit of softening drops have been used in here by the patient by the looks of it, because the wax is very kind of sticky but wet at the entrance of the hearing aid, at the ear canal there, sorry. Slowly trying to work around the outside edge here. Oh, there we are. I'm trying to pull it away from the canal wall. You just start to see the pinky kind of lighter color of the canal there as we start pulling this away. I'm just sticking to that right hand canal wall a little bit. Sorry guys, I don't watch these videos in advance. I try and voice it over as I'm watching it. So I'm going to work out what I was doing here. So it looks like I'm trying to peel away the right canal wall there. There we go. Starting to peel away. And aiming now for the bottom. You can see I'm slowly working my way around this, but that was starting to get a little bit of movement there. So the whole thing just started to move. There we go. You can really start to see it go now. So it's detached itself on that right canal wall. Let's see if we can get a good grip on this now. So aiming there for the center. Oh, couldn't quite get the grip. Looks like it's, there we are. Jobson horn going in over the top. Just trying to work my way down the side of this block of wax. It's quite sticky ass, pushed into the middle there. Looks like it's got a harder outer edge though by the looks of this as it's working down. You can see I'm trying to get over that front section there. Okay, that's taken away the front bit. It's kind of pushed it flat though, unfortunately. I'm trying to get... I'm breaking some of this away here. Okay, that's the front section gone away there. I would probably have aimed a little bit further back now. It comes with confidence though. There we go. Now we can see there we go. There's the gap. So if we can get through the gap, there we are. Starting to pull down now. I've lost the visual. There we go. So just pulling forwards on this, getting behind that block, slowly working this down. There we are. That's a little plug there. There's a little bit more in there. There is a gap there to the left hand side, so we'll go in there, I would imagine. Yes, there we go. Lovely. Let's take that bit away there. And one last bit. Let's see if we can get over the top of that last section there. Try and push this down. Not quite. There we go. It's all starting to come away nicely there now. Not too much more left. Whoop. Almost crashed into it then. There we go. Lovely. Now looking over the top of the wax, I can see that we're nice and clear behind it. Just a little, tiny bit there to the right hand canal wall. You can actually see the eardrum there further into the left at that bluish purple colour. That's the eardrum. And this last little bit's coming away. We can see the eardrum looking really good. You can actually see the hammer bone there of the eardrum. So still just hoovering the last little bit up. It's always a bit more effective usually when you've got small bits there to hoover it up. Right, oh, there we go. A little bit of dry skin at the base of that one. Oh, and we go in for the eardrum shot on this one. Oh, great. This is when we started doing eardrum shots. There you go. So you can see eardrum looking nice and healthy. Good light reflex on there as well. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.